4,000 weeks. A life-changing truth about time. What if I tell you, you have only 4,000 weeks to live? Not years, not decades, just 4,000 weeks. And most of us are wasting them without realizing it. Today's book will change how you look at time, productivity, stress, and life itself. The book is 4,000 Weeks, written by Oliver Burkeman, a journalist and author who studied productivity, time management, and human behavior. But here's the twist. This is not a book about doing more. It's a book about accepting your limits and finally living peacefully and meaningfully. Your time is shockingly limited. An average human life is equal to about 80 years. That equals roughly 4,000 weeks. That's it. We behave like time is unlimited, saving videos to watch later, adding goals to someday lists, postponing happiness for the future. Think about your phone storage. When it's unlimited, you store everything. But when it's full, you become careful. Life is the same. But nobody told us our storage is limited. When you accept that time is limited, you start valuing what truly matters. Productivity will never make you feel done. You finish one task, 5 more appear. You clear your inbox. New emails arrive. You think, after this work, I'll relax. But the work never ends. Berkman explains a powerful truth. You will never complete everything. It's like cleaning your house while people keep entering with dirty shoes. No matter how fast you clean, the mess returns. Stop trying to finish life. Instead, choose what deserves your time today. Saying yes to everything means saying no to life. Every time you say yes to something, you are saying no to something else. Your energy, your family, your peace. Imagine you have 1,000 rupees. If you spend it everywhere, you can't buy what truly matters. Time works the same way. A meaningful life is not about doing more things. It's about doing fewer things intentionally. You can't control time, and that's okay. We are taught to control time. Schedule every minute. Optimize every second. But life doesn't work like a machine. You plan a perfect day. Then traffic happens. A call comes. Mood changes. And suddenly, frustration. Stop fighting reality. Accept uncertainty. When you stop trying to control everything, life becomes lighter and calmer. Being busy is not being important. We often feel proud saying, I'm very busy. But busy doesn't mean fulfilled. A hamster runs all day on a wheel. Very busy, but going nowhere. Busyness is often a way to avoid deeper questions. Am I happy? Am I living intentionally? Stillness is not laziness. It's clarity. The moment you're in is the only one you have. We live in the future, planning, worrying, preparing, or in the past, regrets, guilt, what ifs. But life happens only in this moment. You sit with family, but your mind is on your phone. That moment is gone forever. Presence is not productivity loss. It's life itself. Practical takeaways apply in real life. Here's how you can apply this book. Accept you can't do everything. Choose to do 3 meaningful priorities only. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Limit unnecessary commitments. Be present in small daily moments. You don't need a perfect life. You need an intentional one. You don't have unlimited time, but you have enough time for what truly matters. Life is not about managing time better. It's about living better with the time you have. If this video helped you see life differently, like this video, share it with someone who feels always busy. Subscribe for more life-changing book summaries. And remember, your 4,000 weeks are precious. Use them wisely.